Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to back up Outlook data for transferring email contacts and calendar. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails, contacts, and calendar data into the application. Once everything has loaded properly, you're ready to begin the backup process. Now, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a File tab there. Go ahead and click on it to open the File menu. This is where you'll access all the import and export functions that Outlook offers for managing your data. Once the File menu opens, look for an option called Open and Export. Click on it and the menu will expand to show you more options. From here, you'll see an Import/Export option. Click on this to proceed and an Import/Export wizard window will appear on your screen. This wizard will guide you through the entire backup process step by step. In the wizard window, look for the option that says Export to a file and click on it to select it. This tells Outlook that you want to create a backup file rather than import data. Once you've selected this option, click on Next to move forward. Now, you'll be prompted to choose a file type for your backup data. This is important because it determines how your data will be stored. Select Outlook data file from the list, as this format preserves all your emails, contacts, and calendar information in a format that can easily be transferred or restored later. After selecting this, click Next again. At this point, you'll see a list of your emails, contacts, and calendar files. Select the specific items you wish to back up. You can choose to back up everything or just specific folders depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click Next to continue. Now comes the final configuration step. You'll be required to select a file directory where you want to save your backup file. Click on Browse to open a File Explorer window. Navigate to the location on your computer where you want to store this backup file. You can save it to your desktop, documents folder, or even an external drive for extra security. You also have the option to change the file name of your backup at this stage if you'd like something more descriptive. Once you've selected your preferred location and set the file name, click OK. Finally, click Finish to complete the backup process. Outlook will now create your backup file with all your selected data. This might take a moment depending on how much data you're backing up, so give it some time to complete. And there you have it. You've successfully backed up your Outlook data, making it easy to transfer your emails, contacts, and calendar to another computer or simply keep a safe copy for future use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.